Welcome to Align Data Centers. In this video, we will be covering what a data center is and the rules and regulations within our campuses. The objectives today is overview, critical mindset, rules and regulations, and change requests. As you watch the safety orientation, you can see that safety is very important to ADC. So let's get into it. What is a data center? A data center is a facility that houses network computers, storage, and compute infrastructure. What is a colo provider? A colo provider is a type of data center that focuses on providing customers with a facility that allows them to do their business uninterrupted. What does uninterrupted mean? Uninterrupted means that our customers are backed by an uninterrupted supply of power and emergency generators. In the event of utility outage, the customer's power and heat removal systems will stay online. Institutions that do business with Align could lose millions of dollars in revenue every minute that they are offline. Some examples are financial institutions, healthcare, rideshare, and federal.
Welcome to this critical mindset session designed specifically for vendors working within Align data centers. Your role in ensuring the seamless operation of our mission-critical systems is vital. I will discuss the key aspects of maintaining a high standard of performance and awareness while working within our facilities. At Align data centers, uptime for all critical systems must be maintained 24/7 by 365. When an incident occurs, there is often no immediate fix. The priority should always be to communicate and escalate the issue rather than trying to hastily save the day. Document every indication, report accurately, and protect the integrity of the systems. What is the importance of critical thinking? Before any action is taken, it is essential to engage critical thinking. Pause, consider the action, and weigh their potential outcomes. Always debate decisions, understanding that your actions can have significant consequences. Operating or troubleshooting any equipment within our facilities should instill a sense of responsibility and caution. 3 of the key behaviors for a mission-critical mindset are as follows. 1, process discipline, in which consistency and outcomes is achieved through strict adherence to our standardized processes and controlled change requests. Aligned Data Centers does not and will not allow any operation without a communicated and approved procedure. 2, ownership. Aligned Operations owns all equipment within the facility and will not allow any in-field operation from vendors or vendor recommendations without approval. All operations will be approved through the facility manager and site director utilizing an approved procedure. In the instance of a mistake or procedural violation, it is imperative that it be acknowledged and escalated immediately. Lastly, procedural compliance. Never deviate from an approved procedure without the necessary approval. If you have concerns about work or during work, stop, ask questions, and get the required authorization to continue. Within Align data centers, anyone is empowered to halt work if you identify a safety risk or foresee a negative impact on site reliability. Your authority extends to pausing procedures if you feel uncomfortable or unsafe. Ensure you maintain a positive, proactive mindset as it is contagious and fosters a culture of safety and reliability. In order to mitigate outages, everyone needs to focus on the little things. Having a critical mindset means being vigilant about the small details, removing all potential risks, and taking every potential precaution to mitigate those that cannot be eliminated. In the event of a major system failure, focus on escalation and containment rather than immediate correction. Your actions should aim to prevent the situation from worsening. In conclusion, by applying these principles, you contribute significantly to the safety, reliability, and overall success of Align data center operations. Thank you for your attention and commitment to excellence.
Welcome to Align. Let's go over some rules and regulations of our facility. Propping doors open. Never prop a door open. Propping doors compromise the security of our customers and our building. Always ensure the door is closely secured behind you. Next, no tailgating. Tailgating occurs when a person follows another through a secure door without wiping their access card. Each person must use their own access credentials to enter a secure area. This helps us maintain a safety and control environment. If you notice any security or safety issues, please report them immediately. You can report that to security, you can report that to any Align employee, and operations. Only operations personnel are authorized to operate equipment. If you come to the facility to perform a maintenance, ensure that prior to operating the equipment that you contact operations. The operations will be the one that operating the equipment. Always escalate a problem. If you have a problem with anything, contact operations. Finally, remember the workplace right here is a smoke-free and e-cigarette free. I appreciate your support on that.
At Align Data Centers, change requests, also known as CRs, are documents that track all work being done on Align property that is considered a change to the site. These documents are required to be submitted to operations and approved prior to the start of work. A CR is how we maintain accountability and ensure that operations understands the full scope of work when we are interacting with the critical environment or systems that affect customer loads. The completion and approval of CRs allows operations to vet or alter intended work so that it minimizes the effect to the customer. The CR process also ensures positive communication, including planning if we need to take precautionary action to prevent customer impact. Aligned is very strict with the CR process and does not allow work to deviate from the scope of work or procedures listed. Furthermore, work that affects customers must be approved by operations, followed by a notification to the customers at least 30 business days in advance. If there are any deviations from the CR or adjustments to the scope of work, on the day of execution, it's imperative not to ignore even the smallest discrepancies from written procedures. Instead, contact operations immediately and follow their instructions. This proactive approach guarantees that any unforeseen changes are addressed promptly and effectively, upholding our standards of operational excellence. For more details of the change request process, refer to Runbook 5.5.0, Operations Change Management Policy.
As we conclude this presentation, I want to take a moment to emphasize the critical importance of the topics we have discussed today. We have delved into the realm of Align Data Centers rules and regulations, the significance of a critical mindset, the process of change request, and the art of critical manipulation. Throughout it all, one thing has remained constant. Safety is our top priority. In the world of data centers, rules and regulations are not mere suggestions, but crucial guidelines that ensure the safety, integrity, and security of our operations. Compliance with these regulations ensure that we maintain the highest standards of safety, environmental sustainability, and operational efficiency. By adhering to these rules, we are not only safeguarding our own reputation, but also build trust with our clients and customers. However, rules alone are not enough. It is our mindset that truly determines our success in this fast-paced and ever-evolving industry. We must cultivate a critical mindset, one that questions, analyzes, and seeks innovative solutions. By doing so, we not only stay ahead of the curve, but also create a culture of continuous improvement within our organization and with our partners. Change requests are an integral part of any project, and in the data center world, they can make or break our operations. It is crucial that we approach change requests with caution, ensuring that they are thoroughly written, evaluated, and implemented with minimal disruption, with a heightened emphasis around those that contain critical manipulation. By following a well-defined change management process, we can mitigate risks, maintain stability, and deliver seamless services to our customers. Lastly, let us not forget the importance of the logistics in our project. The efficient management of resources, equipment, and personnel is crucial to the smooth functioning of our data centers. By optimizing our logistics, we can reduce downtime, improve response times, and ensure the timely delivery of services to our clients. Please work with the operations team and your counterparts within platform delivery and service delivery to develop and adhere to an approved logistics plan. Throughout this journey, we must never lose sight of safety as our top priority. Our data centers house valuable assets, sensitive information, and critical infrastructure. It is our responsibility to create a safe and secure environment for our employees, clients, and stakeholders. By prioritizing safety, we not only protect lives, but also safeguard the continuity of our operations. Thank you for your attention, and let us forge ahead on this exciting journey together now. you.